Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into a fascinating topic, the evolution of our technology, shifting work dynamics, and new business demands are completely reshaping traditional HR roles. Now, let's talk about some of the biggest tech-driven changes and tools transforming her, making it more efficient, data-driven, and strategic. These new approaches are taking HR to the next level. First up, we have AI and automation. Imagine all those routine tasks: candidate screening, resume sorting, even some initial interview stages handled by AI. This technology allows HR professionals to shift their focus away from repetitive tasks and spend more time on activities that require a human touch, like employee engagement and developing company culture. With AI doing the heavy lifting, HR can concentrate on building a workplace people love. Next is people analytics. Advanced data tools now give companies insights into employee performance, productivity, and satisfaction. This data-driven approach helps HR make better decisions and could even replace some traditional performance reviews and engagement surveys. Another trend is self-service HR platforms. These platforms let employees manage their own benefits, file leave requests, and access training without needing to go through HR for everything. This empowers employees and reduces the administrative workload for HR, making everyone more independent and efficient. Some companies are even replacing traditional HR with employee experience, or EX, teams. These teams focus on the entire employee journey from recruitment all the way to exit interviews. And then there's outsourcing. Many companies outsource non-core HR functions like payroll, benefits, and compliance to specialized firms. This means internal HR teams can focus more on strategic tasks like talent management and leadership development. Gig and freelance platforms are also changing the game. For short-term roles, companies can tap into on-demand talent instead of hiring traditionally. This allows HR to focus more on project-based hiring and contract work. This model provides flexibility for companies and brings a new dimension to HR's recruitment strategy. Finally, let's talk about digital learning and development solutions. With online training and immersive tech like virtual reality, employees can independently pursue professional growth. This tech shift means HR can take on more of an oversight role, curating content rather than facilitating every session. So, with AI, self-service platforms, data analytics, and digital learning solutions, traditional HR roles are becoming much more strategic. Instead of focusing on routine tasks, HR is now aligned with business goals and employee satisfaction. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe for more insights on the future of work. Let us know in the comments, how is your workplace embracing these changes?